Today, we will discover how to select particular coins and assets before start trading. What do I look for in the charts before trading? How I use our best trading strategy with our best trading indicator. If you're ready, let's learn. Okay, today I'll teach you selecting better coins and trade late rallies. Remember, there's always a trade, as long as you are patient and wait for the right chance. We will look at this TNSR coin, again with a top-down analysis from the weekly until the minute-based charts. In the weekly, the first thing I noticed was this coin in a momentum rally. Does it try to fill this weekly imbalance to balance itself? But this was not enough data for me. I had to check the daily level as well. In the daily, I have noticed this coin was rallying towards its previous day high level, and it was one of the top gainer coins. When you look at this chart, you may say this: there is nothing impressive beside previous day high. Why in the world did you choose this coin? Yes, you are 100% right. If I was looking weekly and daily only, I would never touch this coin. But why did this coin interest me? Why did I choose this particular coin? Why I like this one more than others? Let's learn. The answer was the momentum layout. The moment I noticed this triple imbalance tap right before hunting the previous day high, it got my attention. Remember, first, I had an institutional level bias to move towards, which was the previous day high. Secondly, I had a triple time frame imbalance tap to get the fuel from our gas station. However, something else caught my eye. This momentum level support and resistance flip area. So as you can see, these three things got my attention. So basically, I had everything to trade this coin. I selected this coin with all data and years of experience. Why? Because I have seen this same thing happening over and over for years. If you practice enough, you will see the same things in time. Do not rush yourself. It is impossible to see what I see in a 6 months time frame. You will need lots of practice. However, what was the problem here? I was way too late to trade this. I missed an amazing early price switch, which would be a sniper trade. Then I have another question for you. Can we trade this coin in very late stages like here? The answer is yes. As long as we have a fresh bias target and institutional level waiting for us, such as the previous day high, we can do it. Now let's deep dive to the lower time frames and talk more. Now we are in the 1 minute time frame. After triple tap of multiple high time frame imbalances, price shifted right here. It happened way too early and you have missed this. It is 100% acceptable. We can't stay awake for 24 hours to catch every single price rally with an early price switch. However, now look at what happens afterward. Price makes continuous breaks of structures with small structure boxes. Just like how I teach you in the masterclass. This was 100% masterclass based setup. And each structure leaves imbalances behind for us to trade over and over. There are 4 entries here. But I'm a practical person. Imagine that you have missed all of this. You were so busy feeding the baby in the house or something else. can you still trade the very late stages of the rally? The answer is yes, because we still have the bias. We still have this previous day high waiting for us, and we are so close. One last trade at the peak of this rally. Notice this nice imbalance with a gigantic SR flip area. But this is your last trade before hunting the previous day high. This is your one final Yusuf Dikeç shot to take out the previous day high after the extremely late stage in the rally. Remember, price switch started way below that you have missed it. However, since then the price gave you 5 times to trade in 90 minutes time frame. This is a crazy number for day traders and scalpers. Okay folks, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Time to say goodbye for now. See you next time and keep practicing.